If you're looking for a Disneyland vlog with tips, tricks, and useful information, then you should probably watch something else. But if you're looking for a Disney vlog with Disneyland ambiance, good people, and fun times, then you are in the right place. I'm Almy Rose. Join me for a day at Disneyland.
Walking around Disney in the grand bathroom.
Oh my gosh, look who it is! Hi, you guys!
Happy holidays.
Look at my non-awkward friends, they're so cute. Love it. But first, photos. Headed to Haunted Mansion, but it was closed, so we checked out the new Haunted Mansion shop, which is also closed. Here is the new shop that will be open soon.
Just as if they went to Home Depot and made this incredible shack.
I get the vibe. Yeah.
Not everything's a win, you know? It's better than nothing.
The cute view. My ride's here. Going down the bayou. But this new shop is open, so let's check it out. Look at the ears, they light up. So cute.
This frog is getting wasted.
Going down the bayou. Speaking of hats. Thank you so much. I see you have your beret ready. Oh my goodness, how cute is this?
I hear there's no berets for sale in here though.
But there are ears galore. Ray has a really nice fireplace. Like, wow. I declare this cute. This is also kind of cute. Haunted Mansion was back up, so we redeemed our virtual queue and began an important debate. Okay, so guys, would you rather nap, final call, on this ride or Pirates?
I'm choosing this one.
You're choosing this one? Mm-hmm. Johnny?
This one, yeah, listen to that lullaby. It's like, oh.
So this
beautiful.
one, Val, would you rather nap on this or Pirates?
Haunted Mansion for sure.
Okay, all right. So you and I are saying Pirates, that's fine.
I changed my mind to Haunted Mansion though.
Oh, that's
Sorry.
right. I love how I was not listening to you at all. Wow.
There, it's 10 minutes till the next Tiana.
Thank you.
10 minutes.
I think Jack is broken. Oh, there he goes. All right, what do we get? Oh, dynamite! Hey! Oh my God, there they are. Enjoy your train ride.
There's a surprise in the tunnel.
Bayou Adventure. Take a sneak peek at the big party Princess Tiana is throwing, where the welcome is warm, the music is hot, and the
Those cute little trees. Here we go. Braving the trip into Toon Town. We are leaving Toon Town immediately. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you so much. Busy today, but I've got my ears off and I'm gonna eat a giant Caesar wrap. And the wind is everywhere. Disaster. The wrap is okay. Not terrible, not amazing. What do you think? Okay, it's edible.
I need something in my stomach right now.
If you need something edible and in your stomach, this Caesar wrap will do the trick. Look who it is, it's the West Coasters. That's perfect, love it. After we all tolerated our Caesar wraps, it was time for some dessert.
Gotta have it. Gotta have it.
I can take the foot. Is that
yeah,
okay
take
with
the foot.
everyone?
I think you'll enjoy that food.
This is my first bite of Mickey gingerbread.
Look how it just broke
ever.
off so easily.
That is stunning.
Like he wanted you to.
You get it. It's very soft and it's not too sweet. It's like a little soft boy. I'm tired.
Soft boy. Soft boy. What makes a boy soft?
That's what I want to know. Am I a soft?
Well, you're my soft boy.
That was beautiful. What is this? What is this boy?
It's a very sticky peppermint chocolate macaron.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I feel like this represents the chaos of opening day. The chaos of opening day for any holiday time.
I love that. I love
It's
that.
like a delicious mess.
It's always cake.
Love that.
That's
Cheers.
good. That's really good.
Cheers.
That's really good.
Cheers.
Oh yeah.
A broccoli soft boy.
This is
Minty delicious.
Soft.
Ooh, I like the chocolate.
Me too. I would make the height requirement for this.
Bye-bye. Hands down, this is the best time of year.
I understand she's your biggest fan. Oh, I love it.
Holidays? You bet you know. Time to get decorated. Look at you guys celebrate. Come on! Time for holiday fun for everyone.
I love the dress. Buon Natale. Happy Hanukkah. Happy Kwanzaa.
Santa said he liked your dress. How did you feel? Just incredible, right?
So bad at this.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start.
And now DCA. But first, the bathrooms. Look at the decorations on the Hyperion Bridge. Here we go. It looks so cute. Tell us about the look.
Thank you. I'm Disney bounding as Alice in Wonderland, but she's Disney bounding as Merida, but in the 1950s.
I see it. I love it.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit! Mr. Rabbit! Where are you going down your hole? See, that's kind of how it works.
That was perfect.
It just says Disney Parks.
I'm gonna get me one.
Do it.
I got a latte with 1 pump of gingerbread.
Cheers! Cheers! Yay! Yay!
Yay! Here's sometimes Castles and Johnny.
And Johnny McClurkin.
And Andrea's still here. And Jenna. It's like the Wizard of Oz, but with us. That's all I hear. This is the soy riso mac and cheese.
I like it. I like the flavor of it. It's got a
Okay.
little spice to it. It's
Okay.
good. And I like soy riso.
Nice. Does it pair well with your latte?
Yes, it's amazing. It's amazing with the latte for sure.
That's actually why I bought the 2 items. He bought the 2 items because it's the perfect pairing.
Yes, that's why I got it.
Soon it was time for me to get some food as well, so Jenna and I got something we've always wanted to try. Excited. Excited for these tacos?
Yes.
We've never tried them. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh my gosh, there they are.
Hello, 9171.
Whoa, she is stunning.
She is sexy.
And how is it?
It's good. It's really good.
We wanted to wander around Cars Land to see all the lights.
It's not really my aesthetic, but I like it.
Here he is.
She's like, move!
Love you better.
Vader, I love your work.
No radiator springs.
He sounded mad. Is he mad at us? Back to Disneyland for fireworks and some surprises.
I'll like to put Elsa up there doing this. You know?
Imagine if Elsa were up there right now. That would be so cute. So pretty. Cute.
We're done. Oh, done for the day.
Oh, it's so magical. That is magical too.
I think they had that one last year because it goes with the ears. Yeah, they see the ears. I feel like I need the ears.
Yes. That's a really cute backpack.
Oh, let's explore the forest.
To the forest.
Oh my goodness. Oh, they are cute.
Wait, there's Mickey one. Where is it?
Beautiful.
People step on his head.
This is so chaotic right now. Johnny told us there's a surprise at the castle that's worth the wait. Oh, that's magical. Oh, you guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
It's very gentle and like lullaby-ish.
Time for Star Tours. Are you guys ready to be screened for boarding?
I'm excited to be the Rebel spy.
Don't you dare. It's your turn. We're making it happen. We're making it happen. We're making it happen. Maybe next time. Picked up churro toffee for my husband and then fireworks.
My ears are on my neck. Hold my dud drink.
We did it, you
I'm trying to
guys.
drink out of this.
It's so magical.
Oh my god, just went on my nose.
So magical.
Same. Storage.
Thanks for spending the day with me and my friends. And see you in the next one. Bye.